Are you looking for the best alarm system kits? If you received a new alarm system kits, then you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to review the top 5 best alarm system kits on the market. You'll get to see all of them and select the best one based on personal preferences, reading reviews, and orders. Get less started on this video. The Staniot 7-inch home alarm system is a cutting-edge wireless security solution that combines robust features with user-friendly controls. Equipped with a 7-inch IPS full-color HD screen, this system offers a 1024x600px display for clear visuals. It supports up to 150 zones and 8 wired zones, making it adaptable to various security needs. The built-in 5000 mAh lithium battery ensures reliable operation, even during power outages. With a 120 dB loud Siren and smart home integration via Tuya, Alexa, and Google, the Staniot 7-inch home alarm system is a cutting-edge wireless security solution that combines robust features with user-friendly controls. Equipped with a 7-inch IPS full-color HD screen, this system offers a 1024x600px display for clear visuals. It supports up to 150 zones and 8 wired zones, making it adaptable to various security needs. The system is CE and RoHS certified and supports Alexa and Google Assistant for voice control. With its GSM alarm functionality and efficient power consumption, it's designed to safeguard your home with minimal maintenance. The PG-107 Tuya wireless Wi-Fi GSM home burglar alarm system is a versatile security solution, offering seamless integration with Tuya, Alexa, and Google Assistant. Designed for easy installation, it supports 99 zones and comes with a full-touch capacitive screen for intuitive control. The system operates on a 433 MHz wireless frequency and supports both GSM and Wi-Fi networks, ensuring reliable connectivity. With its compact size of 160 by 98 by 19 mm, it includes a 3.7V/1000 mAh lithium battery for backup power. CE, FCC, RoHS, and UL certified. The Staniot 433 MHz wireless Wi-Fi 4G smart home security alarm system kit offers comprehensive protection for your home or garage. It supports up to 200 zones, ensuring extensive coverage. The system is fully compatible with Tuya and Samrtlife apps, allowing easy remote control via iOS and Android devices. With support for 2.4G Wi-Fi and 4G networks, you can stay connected at all times. The 4.3-inch full-color touchscreen display provides intuitive control, while the system's compatibility with Amazon Alexa and Google Home enhances convenience. The kit includes essential accessories like the Staniot Wi-Fi version. Tuya Intelligent Wireless Wi-Fi House Security Alarm System Kit offers top-tier security with seamless integration into modern smart homes. Supporting up to 200 zones, this system ensures extensive coverage. It's compatible with Tuya Smart and Samrtlife apps, allowing remote control via iOS and Android devices. The ultra-thin 12 mm body houses an IPS screen with the latest Sense UI, offering a sleek and intuitive interface. The system also supports Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, enhancing voice control options. Certified by CE and RoHS, it features a built-in 10-language voice function and anti-fingerprint technology, ensuring both convenience and security.